I kind of dreaded making this video because this video isn't about whether the machine works. It's actually about the functionality of the machine and matching that functionality to the right client. First of all, this machine is in amazing condition. It's a very low hour machine, but it's also a very, very well optioned machine. This wide belt has only 656 hours of operation, and this is the original PLC to the machine. The LT screen does have several horizontal lines on it. This sander has a 53-inch by 6.5-inch capacity, a softer durometer feed mat, with that feed mat having around 80% life left with no notable gouges, tears, or delamination. The vacuum bed features a 12 horsepower blower. The first head is a 35 horsepower 9-inch defect-free rubber spiral drum with very easy to adjust grit compensation. The second head is a 24/30 horsepower dual RPM 7-inch defect-free spiral drum combination head with a segmented platen. It also does have easy to adjust grit compensation, as you can see. The third head being a 15 horsepower VFD drive multi-speed head with a segmented platen. So this machine has a total of 2 segmented platens. To the rear, you're going to find controls for adjusting the cleaning brush. We are going to go ahead and hit that E-stop, and as you can see, everything does stop as it should. Of course, you're also going to have auto thickness calibration. You will also find a full set of manuals and 4 spare platens. Again, this is a very hard configuration to find in a sander. If you were purchasing it brand new, it would be well over 6 figures. This one has low use and is in excellent condition.